Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring how surface profiler strategies are delivering real value in industrial metrology, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding, and what it means for future-ready businesses.
Why this topic matters now. Let's start with a simple question. Are surface profilers still just inspection tools, or are they becoming something much bigger? Across manufacturing today, the pressure is clear: tighter tolerances, faster production cycles, and almost zero room for error. And that's changing how measurement is being viewed. Surface profilers are no longer sitting at the end of the line, checking finished parts. They're moving closer to production itself, influencing how processes are controlled, how defects are prevented, and how performance is improved in real time. In fact, according to Frost & Sullivan, this space is growing steadily, moving from around $387 million in 2025 to over $593 million by 2030. But what's more important than the growth is why it's happening. Manufacturers are starting to see measurement not as a checkpoint, but as a strategic capability.
What's changing inside manufacturing? So what's really driving this shift? First, measurement is becoming part of production itself. It's no longer isolated. It's influencing output, consistency, and overall process control. Second, data is finally starting to matter, not just collecting it, but actually using it, turning measurement into decisions that improve stability and reduce variation. And third, investment thinking is changing. Companies are no longer buying systems just for capability. They're thinking about long-term fit, scalability, interoperability, and how well these systems align with evolving production needs. At the same time, broader forces are also at play. Digital technologies like AI and machine learning are making inspections smarter and faster. Workforce gaps are pushing companies toward automation, and global uncertainty is making efficiency and resilience more critical than ever.
What's driving and limiting adoption? Now, while adoption is clearly accelerating, it's not without its challenges. On one side, you have strong growth drivers. Industry 4.0 is pushing demand for connected measurement systems. Technology is improving: faster speeds, higher resolution, better automation compatibility. And expectations around quality and precision are only increasing. But on the other side, there are real barriers. Advanced systems come with higher costs. There's still a shortage of skilled expertise. And in many regions, traditional inspection tools are still widely used. So what we're seeing is not just a technology shift, it's a transition phase, where adoption is growing, but scaling still requires overcoming structural challenges.
Where the biggest opportunities are emerging. So where should businesses really be paying attention? Aerospace is a major one, driven by advanced materials and stricter performance requirements. Electric vehicle manufacturing is another, where precision is critical across battery systems and lightweight components. And more broadly, industries that demand high accuracy and consistency, like semiconductors and advanced manufacturing, are becoming key growth areas. At the same time, technology is opening up new possibilities. We're seeing AI-enabled analytics at the edge, cloud-connected metrology systems, and increasing use of robotic inspection. All of this is creating new opportunities, not just to measure better, but to operate smarter.
What this means for business leaders. So what does all of this mean for decision makers? It means measurement is no longer a support function. It's becoming a defining factor in production performance. Companies that align profiling systems with their operational priorities are seeing better control, reduced variability, and stronger output consistency. And those that don't, they risk falling behind, not because they lack tools, but because they're not using them strategically. So the real question becomes, is your current measurement strategy built for what comes next?
Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.